Elon Musk has been promising self driving robo taxis for over a decade. So far, it's been mostly talk, but now he's making another bold claim. Tesla's first ever robo taxi service is set to launch in Austin, Texas. But why Texas? What's in it for Musk? And will this actually happen? Let's break it down. The key reason? Texas is extremely lenient when it comes to driverless car regulations. Unlike California, where strict laws govern self driving cars, Texas gives companies free rein. Autonomous vehicles can operate on public roads without needing special permits. They just need to be insured like any regular car. Even better for Tesla, no state agency regulates these driverless taxis. Cities and counties can't impose their own rules either. State Senator Kelly Hancock, who pushed for Texas's self driving laws, put it simply: we wanted to avoid barriers to entry. For Elon Musk, who's grown increasingly anti regulation, Texas is a dream. It's also where he moved Tesla's headquarters in 2021 after clashing with California lawmakers. Despite the big claims, there are huge hurdles. For starters, Musk has a history of overpromising and underdelivering. He's been teasing robo taxis since 2013 without success. Then there's Tesla's full self driving software. Musk says it will soon be capable of driving without human supervision, but there is no proof Tesla has met the rigorous safety standards required in places like California. Tesla has launched just 904 kilometers of driverless testing since 2016. Compare that to rivals like Waymo, which have logged millions of kilometers before getting approval. Experts say Tesla's robotaxis will likely start as a small scale test, limited to Austin's best weather conditions with remote human operators ready to intervene. Even Tesla investors are skeptical. Brian Mulberry from Zacks Investment Management says, with Elon, you have to read between the lines. What will actually launch? Nobody knows. Driverless cars in Austin have already caused concern. In 2023, over 20 Cruise robo-taxis owned by GM jammed up a street near the University of Texas. The city has logged 78 formal complaints about self-driving vehicles blocking traffic, nearly causing accidents, and failing to follow police instructions. A frustrated Austin resident recently wrote, and I quote, "I can't believe you're letting this untested technology use our streets." End quote. Austin City Council is also powerless to regulate Tesla's rollout. Council member Zoe Kadri says private companies are using our public roads as a testing ground and we can't stop them. With no way to ticket misbehaving robo taxis, Austin's police have resorted to filing complaints in municipal court. Tesla, for its part, says it's working with local officials to ensure a smooth launch, but can it avoid the failures that plagued Cruise and Waymo? Elon Musk's robo-taxi vision could be revolutionary, but history suggests caution. With no permits, no large-scale testing, and no regulatory oversight, Tesla's autonomous dreams rests on shaky ground. Will this launch be a game changer or another empty promise? We will find out soon enough.